actual, basic, important single tactics you must be able to do. In first place, to be able to put your opponent under pressure, not opening your court, not allowing your opponent to attack you. You must do these 4 basic, very important tactics, and you should be able to practice it, and you should be able to use it at the right time. Before these 4, I assume that you have a will to win, you have a hunger to win, you have been practicing. But it doesn't matter how hungry you are, how solid will you have, how fit you are. In singles, if you choose the wrong shot, you lose. Because you move more, opponent move less. You're helping opponent to finish shots. So where to select, where to hit, when is very crucial. Okay. The number 1 important tactic in singles to be a winner is clear. Be able to hit clear. If you hit clear, 10 clears, average speaking, 6 or 7 clears should go straight. Deep. High and deep, not too high because it's giving too much time. Reasonably high, deep. So opponent have to go back. Number 1. Number 2, be able to do deceptive attacking clear, so shuttle pass him. So his choice is limited. If you don't have those kind of 2 clears, you cannot win singles match. Doesn't matter how good smash you have, how good drop shot you have, how good net shot you have. If you don't have deceptive, powerful, clear, you lose a singles match. You have so much less option to do anything. Okay, watch this. Okay, after service, I will hit the clear, try to return clear. High. Yeah. Okay, one more. Ready? So the clear I hit was high and deep, and we struggled to return it. Another important clear is same. Try to return. Where? Okay, again, one more. So 2 clears, that's what I'm talking about. High, deep, and sharp, deceptive. So first clear, put him deep corner. Second one, pass him. But bad shot, bad clear. Ready? Okay, same. Return, try to return. Too high. Deep, but no problem for him to return because he has a loss of time because the shuttle goes too high. Let's say he has got 5 shots to play from that corner. I am allowing Will to use all 5 shots. Ready? Ready? But if shuttle goes deep, not too high, ready? Out of 5 shots, he may do 1 or 2. Loopy clear or loopy drop shot. That's all he can do. Same. Yeah. Okay, ready? You can see, if I hit a little bit higher, he can do it comfortably. But if shuttle goes a little bit faster, flatter, past him, struggling to do proper shots. But some players do this kind of worst clear. Ready? Clear goes. Okay, do whatever you like. Ready? Go. Yeah. The worst clear ever you can do in singles match, cross clear, short and low. You are there, shuttle goes there, opponent straight drop, straight smash. Never ever you can get those. If you hit your clear, cross clear especially, low shot. So when you do the cross clear, make sure it has to go deeper or past him. Cross clear, sometime good, sometime giving your opponent the opportunity. Be aware of that. I'm not saying never hit cross clear, but cross clear has that weakness. Because it flies long, it goes cross to him. In case if your clear is low, you are dead. Ready? Yeah, smash. Smash. Yeah, but smash. Thank you. So number one, very important tactic in singles, be able to hit deep clear, attacking clear, but use more straight clears because it goes faster, opponent have less time. And more importantly, this one. Why straight clear is more important? Ready? Okay, I hit straight clear. Ready? And then stop there, please. Yeah, stop there, stop. Shuttle is there. I am hitting straight clear from there. So that corner is empty for me. For him to hit that corner, shuttle has to go cross. I have a time to take it. If I take it early, I can put him very much under pressure, like this. Ready? Cross drop shot, please. I do straight clear. There. He has to go long way. But now watch this. Ready? Straight drop shot. Don't hit it yet, just stay there. Go. Stop. Stop. Yeah, there. I am hitting from here. Bang. That is empty for me. For him to hit my empty corner, it goes straight. I have much less time. If he hit fast or attack clear over there, I have to go like this. If, in case, my clear goes low and short. Many players understand tactics wrong, especially the club levels, and many junior players. Many of them believe cross drop shot, cross flick, cross net is advanced shot, but it is completely the other way around. Straight shot is so much more advanced than cross shot. But remember, sometimes cross shot is right. But overall speaking, straight shot, you have more chance to put your opponent under pressure. And same time, if your opponent return it, you are not giving your opponent to damage you. But if you do the cross shot, you may win. But if your cross shot is wrong, poor, your opponent can win same time, 50-50. But straight is a 70-30. you have a 70% advantage if you do the straight shot. Watch this. Ready? Shuttle is there. Net, please. Net. And then I lift it, smash straight. Yeah, I lift it. I have no way to take that shot. But smash any side. If I do that, that is empty corner for him to smash from there to there. Hard. I have more time. Same. Cross drop shot. And then return my shot. Cross drop shot. I do cross net. And he can do that or he can flick there. Ready? Same. Flick. Now. There. There. I am giving him opportunity to do that. But what happened if I do the net shot? Ready? Drop. So he's there. I am here. That's empty. For him to hit it there, I have a time. Whatever shot he does, he cannot damage me. But he can in this one. Yeah. Thank you. So many young junior players are doing far too many cross net, cross drop shot. Everything cross. I saw a player, he hit the 10 shot, all 10 shot went cross, 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 cross. He has to run 3 times more than opponents.